Welcome to peaceful country living on more than 5.7 acres on the northeast side of Woodburn. Situated near a golf course and with easy access to I-5, this darling remodeled family home is nestled in a quiet setting, surrounded by mature trees. Heading inside, you'll discover inviting spaces with tons of natural light and a freshly painted interior. The dining area opens to the large kitchen with all new appliances. You'll enjoy plenty of space with 4 generous bedrooms and 1.5 baths, with more than 1,600 square feet on this main level. The interior has new carpet throughout. The unfinished full basement is ready for the right buyer to finish, with an additional 1,600 plus square feet. You'll also find a new roof, siding, and exterior paint, along with a new well pump. Enjoy the relaxed country setting, complete with outbuildings, including a chicken coop and 2 open barns. 4 acres are currently being leased by a Marionberry farmer, which is instant income. A fantastic opportunity for a charming ranch-style home. It's all here waiting for you to call home. For more information, please contact the team at Premier Property Group at 503-778-0100.